asem no
asem no sa na tie pepepe na me de ya me ya wo mu ni say mampani Nana Addo Dankwah Akufo-Addo kofo born in Samrane ene ade but niema kakra bi a waye busumi nkruni no me gina ba bi ka say enye wono na wo se nkodi president Mahama de enka nipa ni free MPP mu but pass Nana Addo Dankwah Akufo-Addo sa amamu no ayede aye amanisem minimwe minuanie we minu ayirenie madam funie ena yede ye sa amamu no ena wasese abusuafo nkoa edi aye ministers edi bia kototo anwuma kuwa no na saa asem we ye ba ya maame no abie na no ka se o pe kwan a obekfa so akohia mampani menu aba woti hei se wo asem bia wo pese woni wadwuma wura eka na wo konifi akorehwe no wo bekwa ko bo manager amane bia ono so de beko general manager ho eye enidiso iti se wonya CID abedi akira ono timi ka se onu o sign CID pani ho asan IGP ho ene mampani akodi nkomo se nkofo bi ona mamu no mu a omommoa no na wakokolebu aba tieni o kolebu a nkofo koje ayarehwe ni ayaresa no onu police ni ko ho bai no ayare efise ketase sha wakohu ho a chief of staff deputy for mienu omo mampani aso eye akatakata so no eye ne ya na se ni pe ya waka asemu ya wo bua se yen kataketa asehye so na nipa wono ti wo se yen hwehwem ono ya pam ne se won kofie ena de bone ne fa ne ho no yese wono o meteki charge nti asem ne ye be de hwehwem nti ye sa ne ma no a wo mo ye bone bi ba ne apep ne ma bi ne akata so obi akofa kerosene e de petrol afra amen ye hu ba bi a contaminated food and ne sisi aye ka se hu ba bi e wo
ye stick it to you
sani e de nyina ye san kataso no a ye de ye no enti meme de me free say maame ne kra no anke besi ne so be kai yewura Kofi Boache na asem ba e tape bi ba de ne si ye police forma ne kotena fie ene ye ka se rehwe na asem mu adan na maame Addo Dankwah nko ade na asem aba na ye hwehwem na de wo hwehwem ni mom ene ya pam no ama maame no ono na waba beji investigation no se bien no behwehwe
papa me ba so said the NDC ni can as allegation and as said your madwin yom say NPP for katakata nema bi so nti and na police council ahwe ama ono na eba be acting director general ama CID no esa na work na etisa sana mu ho no eno so tekoda me question am pese wi anu ma me nsanka aka besa aboso me mensa nanka bright drew ne bre no aso ade nanka mpanyimfo anya abotre boso me mensa de me se kata wani ti se ya ebeba nanka ya mananso preko na ase aye apirapiwi mini
aba me da se ma me fam free here em say jama em de say tama minua I try to do his submissions, you know, because let's focus on the issue. The topic now the buy. Now, tell me, I don't know what that problem. Say a boss say ye di bibi betuja na ye di hun komwa. Sabi nye di ye beka and I say ye nim di bi ye nim chen ubi. But it is about how we find a solution. Say be a dear sinukra no NCB. If you say no, any more juma mo etu hwana mo. So say. So he said ube free baby a ube di beba be do. Say be can say asoma obisa akabo so mi ensa. Aka akra na papa no ko retirement. Adenti na yenya ne saa de nsa. Is that the precedence ana? And I say emra no e wo ho e na ebia yempese ye di mra so ne du baby a na ebia ye bu ani aguso. Say asoma ye kan nyina no say ye kan ne so papa no emre no aso no oni leave bia ko na ban e no so aka na boso me na call retirement enti no on contract fee and no then you raise a question say e die benti e dia na mo no what the investigation is in place I need to hear force amana call early retirement so what you say not to say no we have an issue now say ne asom number everyone say somehow say if you have Madam for Brogya to say per president say somebody supposed to represent President John Mahama then I'm surprised and even in the world the whole world and I'm saying it for a record upon Kombisa in the world I'm telling you go and ask go and ask and go and do your research as Brogya Kenya Nanado and the case of representing the President Mahama on President John Mahama 8 years in his government. serving as a vice president and as a president. He doesn't come even closer for another 8 months. The most focused, purposeful leader in the world today, President Nana Akufo-Addo and the Ivory Coast president. What you say? I'm telling you, you can't compare this leadership in any way. Open leaders are more focused and purposeful. For the last 8 months, you have a leader who has sat down on and his agenda is on the roadmap. What be the 8 years? You can't even compare your record with 9 months. What you say? It is as some you be say, "Maamina yedina bano." The question is that Maamina on your deputy, or your deputy director general of CID. And then Nebraska. As someone can one other kind, would you interrogate tape very well? So I say that yes, so or you corrupt, no so person on your coin no corner nado, no catcher and say the corruption. I'm borrowing his own words. Corruption I work with Lebuno or person on any bus. Oh, fine, but I mean, would you make us a tape what kind of matters is here? So or person who president. No catcher and say what is in Kolebuno a year rotten. What leader do you want again? Even on the tape, what leader do you want? Can you ever cite one NDC leader and officer to say, the person who President John Mahama, na niema koso wahano airtime. She was bold. This is a leader that she has taken over that mainstream. What you say? Hey, Oka Abu Jinapo, Oka the chief of staff. They are the workers of the president. Everybody can complain to that people to make sure say yes, sir, has say na koso Kolebu. Na ABA Oma from Normal Institute investigation or no Kolebu or appointed chief executive. And also at the end of Kokoye. Let's be focused on what is on the table. Bright Odro or somebody is in place. How a Bright Odro investigation I buy. What is about this ongoing investigative Kolebu issue? In their own system. Yeah, they buy you handing over money deputy. Also when you tape with me. Okay, there is nothing wrong. And Papa Nagasa no coca and asam crown, or say I have nothing against the people that I mentioned their names. And is it a topic that we have to discuss? I mean, let's be honest.
Say asam no daba maso muhu ni say anoma police council etu ya ACP Tiwaa Addo Dankwah Akufo-Addo wo ye acting sesia ama CID no ekwan bi so ebema ase A+ nsem no ye nkan wieye nhwehwemu gu so a ewo ho na sese wa be take over acting director general CID ekwan bi so muhu say anamo amampanyin pese otu na wode kuti aketa hye kankan ne point o mane ana ne lemu na odi no minu abai no kra da nya ne ye ka Ghana Integrity Initiative Awomuna omu ewo Ghana hama ewiase kubatan kuwa ekunketa asehye omu pani aka minim se na oboni din wakasa enti meme kra de me hyeda nkunketa asehye enti bia minim hu nim de wono no a onim hu nim de na ka se saa de no amampani aye no ebe tia ekwa ye ekun ede tia keta asehye ne proye maame no onye appointee to say be a mampeni na pound say or a political appointee. Until on to me can say Okushia mampeni no na can send you okukwam. So we a police ni professional policeman. No wa ko baby akunso obi abokronwa. Na say nipa no sebi previous obi a or a mampeni nua na mampeni bibi no kra no a. Esan say we a chain say police ni nti. Ukochi nipa no unka se wo kɔ ne mampani akɔhye kokoam aka ho asɛm na se nipa ne ebetwi na anim o se ebe nden ne ye gya ne saa kwa
Brogya me
enya me chama nya botre enya me
na me
ka se chama nya botre nya botre
no
enya me wo de mmoa me mesrew ma me ho nkyere me enya me na me ka se maame no nia wo ye no enye de to so mienu nya me na mabetena ha ka se papa no ne pension so ye no wako papa no ana abeka se MPP for na me yi na di one can you was it MPP for na me yinadi na sesi akwa ko Ghana police service mu a enkofo bebre wo mu a aka wo 1 month 2 months enso wo she police uniform e da ho tim nti obia a wo ye officer bia no ne bre ne so pepepe ansa ne amanako maame no a ane ho asem betojo no na issue statement no say investigation no na ye Bright Odro e na da no no ye soma nti se Bright Odro na da no na we asoma se koye nhwehwemu bra na wo be katakata so no no ye pani te hwa e wo so hwehwem
enti hwehwemu no a ebekọ akọfa niema pia betodwa no wo de emfa no kra se ye hwehwemu adenti na Kofi Boachi tape baaye police for man kotena afie na maame Tiwaa Addo Dankwah se Addo Dankwah na eso ne din ni so enko anti ade a na ono nko ade yetime bo na ba so e ma ne post
Brogya me da se
me ma dwen wa me ntiase
papa answer na ebekọ be se bi say asema ura vitus azim edi track so finance o kan say ohun ni say anamo ampanyefo atu maame ACP Addo Dankwah Akufo okoye acting director general no ekwan bi so emwa no MPP for mu ne say
Minyamba, ono kwa na dwen anase is that how you think for the whole organization?
Ono watch na dwen.
Ono watch na dwen. Na the question I nanka sometimes we say besides a dear pa na bright to draw investigate. Banji di say idea or investigate ebe ha no. And this time I yete ha a member of parliament etia yakunu. Yedi police investigation na ye twisted no kura names so from Ampenia Soye. What happened? And you know what some na ye kan